I Archana Oinam, I English ki Ozan. Hello students, welcome back. Kai naina khre koi kari ugre. We have seen grammar, we have seen parts of speech. Ko parts of speech koi nipan, mapan, 8, 9 parts of speech koi we have seen it. Ko masak khange, maming khange. We have seen noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb. Ko adubo ba koi naina khre ba. Makha chatharak se makha the remaining da lehori ba parts of speech mayam da. Let us now continue with the remaining parts of speech so that we can at least start constructing good sentences. Good sentences macha macha iwa hobangam na ba koi hozik remaining parts of speech to mu yenga se ba. Now we are going to do the parts of speech adverb. Adverbs tawasip. Adverb as a kaino. We have seen noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb ugre. Adverb amu yenga se. Adverb se kanano, adverb se karino. So let us look at the definition of the adverb which you have come across many times. Ko yamna toina thengnaraba definition ni ai haige yengsi aduga let us discuss ko. An adverb is a word that qualifies or adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Verb ta nikhangde, adjective ta nikhangde, adverb ta nikhangde. He na meaning phongdokpa adugi wahai dubo khoina adverb hairaga khangneyeba. Ko adverb says samna hairaga it adds more. Say walk slowly ka hai ko walk slowly ko tapna chatlu ko or he walks slowly. He walks slowly. Ko adudai duda he walks slow hairasuya. He walks slow haiba sentence yenga sidagi hausepa. He walks slow. Maha tapna chatli. Ko adai duda koina chatli ba tapna chatli se he na tapan se hai taragadi koina kari hai. He works very slowly. Ko very guys se slow already verb like zaraba slow se da koina very se hapchale. Ko he walks slowly hairasuya. He works very slowly. More amu hapchale. Ko very hai bo hai se he na tappe hai dana so koina hapchale ko aduna ver sigumba wa hai sing si bo koina kari kawi adverb kawi. Examples in the yeng se ko yengune example am hai Sheila shall come. Sheila shall come. Sheila lakani hai. Aduda he na precise oiba he na come lakadoini ko ma lakadoini do he na precise oine na karam kanda lakani hai ge koina tomorrow hai bo hai se hapchala kanda koina he na precise oire he na matam mama takpire ba khoiduna aduna gasagi karam kanda lakani hai kanda tomorrow hayeng lakani hai ba sigi tomorrow se adverb ne ko then atop example amane yung ko wahai se sentence se go there please. Go there, please. Go, natab. Go, please, ka natab. Go there, please. There. Ko si adverb neba. Kadai da chalo hai no do ta ini. Ko na adverb amagi mahaki mathau se. Even they can sometimes tell time, they can tell place, they can tell manner, they can tell frequency. Ko makoi na akoi da matam phongdo pusu yawi, place phongdo pusu yawi, manner phongdo pusu yawi, frequency phongdo pusu yawi. Na yam samna hairaba the adverb se kaino it adds to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay. Now let us come down to preposition. Ko preposition da mu yengasi. Preposition adi kaino position mapham ko adugi pre mamang da. Mafam takadori ni ko kanagi mafam no taktoi se noun natraga pronoun dugi chap chaba mafam taktoi ni ko mafam takpa wahai dubu koina preposition koiba. Prepositions are words used before a noun or a pronoun to tell us the position of that particular noun or a pronoun. Ko noun natraga pronoun dugi mamang da phamaga hapaga noun duga pronoun duga gi Mafam, mahaki position, mahaki time, takadoineba. Some haraga relate to na handuneba. Noun namaga pronoun namaga sentence amada yabu noun namaga pronoun namaga relate to duni definition sidang yengoshi examples da hana yengse duga relate to na same ko. The book is on the table high. Sentence the book is on the table high. Ko says that the table se noun neba. Sigi table noun se. Asigi table si down si kanaga mari laina hali on haiba wahai sina book siga mari laina halem kari makamaina how are they two related kamaina mari halaina hali on hariba wahai sina mafam ta eba kanagi mafam lairik tu gi leibam ta ine the book sigi noun se atopa noun ama siga mari laina haleba on hariba wahai sina ko then another example ama mu yengsi the cat is under the table hai the cat noun am laizare the table noun am laizare ko ani sigi marakta kai wahai le under haiba wahai sina cat siga table siga mari laina haleba kamaina mafam ta aga by telling the place of the cat ko akhoi da mafam se ta akanda mari laina haleba asigumba wahai ko akhoi da time natraga place ta po wahai sing da adu ko na preposition kawi preposition sing se kana kana no in at on under beneath above simyam se preposition ngaktani hayeng ko na hayeng mu in details ta mu ina rakhini ko the seventh parts of speech ko taret suba parts of speech ta mu yengse kari no seventh parts of speech sa conjunction hai conjunction adi kaino ai sile sa mi maming ahum khak ige or natraga koina hai maming mari manga ige irakpa matamda kai haina iyengo se mango banana apple jackfruit ko mari sure the fifth one pineapple when you write na koina iba matamda makoi je punjan lakadoine ba koina punjan lakpa kan de koi kari haina season ne mango banana pineapple ko jackfruit and harakanda koina ngasagi fifth fruit to laktra ko aduna and haiba wahai sina wahai se koi ure then another atopam ne se ram sham chauba ram ne sham ne chauba ne tombane makoi je tinai ba koina irakpa matam da de hairakpa matam da de koina kamaina hai ram sham chauba and tomba and haiba wahai sina samjana ra ko na samjanna hanba wahai sing words that joins together phrases clauses sentence or even two nouns noun ani punjal hanba noun ahum punjan hanba ko makhoi mayam makhoi adugum wahai du bokhoi ne kari kawi conjunction kawi conjunction hai di joining words habne loin tok thokras example tokro definition tokro icham chamna conjunction di kana what are conjunctions hai taragadi kokta lehobda conjunctions are joining words join tok duni kari kari no join tok do sa word ani obi ko noun ani obi or phrases ko phrase obi close obi or even two sentences sentence ani ba join to obi adu tar the conjunction se kana kana no ba english the conjunction se kana kana no and se the quite a season of conjunction the and ni ko because or yet but unless if until though si myam se conjunction ngak tane ba ko examples yengsi atop example ma yengsi work hard or you will fail alternative ni ko piri se asising se akoina alternative conjunction guys kan negative oiba pot ani do ko work hard nang ka thabak kan su natragadi you will fail ko nang fail oigani alternate ni piri do ko thabak su dragadi fail oidiba then atopa amana yung ko two different two opposite situation so join to we yawe yengsi ko he is poor yet he is honest pukchil sengba ama ko aduga lairaba ama opposite ani se conjunction yet sina join to bu yae ko na conjunction gi hang details la akanda akoina ni thizana akoina hena broadly tam akanda abuk si pot pa kinds of conjunction da mu yeng se ko na ka roi da badi conjunction hadi kana kana no and or yet because but si mayam se conjunction ngang tani ko now let us come to the last part of the parts of speech si bho amatakke tangkak aduga amat ninth one to hapcheleke ko quite last say interjection hai you might have come across sentences like bravo what a hit kind ko yeah kind koina harau yeah what a goal kind koina football match ma chat pakanda when you see that your team your school team ko guna goal ma chan bakanda no koina ka ya chale na laudra ya harawe khoi kana chale kaina akoina goal chale na lawi ko hooray we have win the match or we have won the race hooray we have won the match kaina akoin laudra hooray ya kaina lawi ko adugi do akoina aduguba hooray ya bravo kaina ga lawba se masigi wahai sing se masigumba wahai karamba wahai which expresses sudden state of our mind akoi mind gi sudden feelings am express torok podu koina kari kawi adugi wahai sing du kari kawi interjection kaweba ko interjection se kamaina denote tawi si yong to line ama chingaga dot ama namaba adubo koina interjection ko interjection haraga khangnayeb kawan ko exclamatory mark se interjection sentences ngakten then may you be ever happy blessings ka pibado adu ki jingdu su interjection ni ko then alas harakanda he is no more ko si wahai sing se alas harib se mase kanano interjection word ne interjection gi word ne kawan ko se interjection hai se kasuna they are words that expresses sudden feeling ko sudden feeling akoina express the web ado now come down to the last parts of speech which modern grammarians often add to the part of speech ko part of speech ne haidana modern grammarians man hapchalamba determiners sida amu yenga se now determiners se kana no what are determiners or what is a determiner ko determiners is no ko in details lakini but I get the have pet ko masak khangnaram se khangnaraga chatki chatko khangna hose have one determiner hayeng full broadly tor akana ningjangna ko have idea le hosi determiners e kanano determiners are words that limits a noun that follows koino noun that follow adi sentence ama the noun ama leiramgane ko sentence ama the yariba noun da adugi magi akakna ba masing takpa wa haidune sidi noina hayeng in details ta tamakani aduga determiner se kana kanano english determiner kana no hai taraga di koina kari khangbangami kana ne na classify tawani articles a and the mase article ne ko he is a boy ka haise example yengse example pire yengse he is a boy harabani no boys a noun idana a se phamjale ko he is a boy a se thambe adu taragadi limit tawgre ngasai ba no he noun je boy je limit tawgre ba kaya da mai masing do akak na hangre ba yare ko and then atop example haragana there are some apples in the basket there are apples in the basket haiba maga there are some apples in the basket haiba sigi khetna basiyong kayang think khetna gyong there are apples in the basket ta kari yawi apples yawi masing thiba ngambra or I mean not masing ko literally masing nati limit tawba ngambra chang khangba ngambra ngamde ko but look at the second sentence di kai hai there are some apples in the basket hai some apples khara hai bane like chang amadi ko khangba ngami ko aduna adumaina noun du limit to hai sing du ko determiners ko wi determiner hang il detail la akan ko khangakani ko aduna determiner se article a and the laire then atai determiners na kana no have matanda these those every each some any many what which some na hara kan the adjectives khara ko adjective things akona determiners in treat the way that you will see in detail in the following classes okay karibok ta khangye koina parts of speech ni panse ko hojik sa khangma khangnare we are now familiar with the 8 parts of speech ko 8 parts of speech ko familiar oire haipet ningjang si kari tawgrage haibato so koi yenga si ko ngasai gi akoina nainagriba mayam the parts of speech sing do kari no haibato kok ta sum lehauna ba yam laina ningjang na ba aina khoida table ama pithoke sigi table sina koina study tawro ko table si apply to like you don't have to use a table it's a application to si hairaga the definitions lo to examples new examples da koina apply to yai ko first parts of speech recap to se ba ko ningjang se ba kaino first parts of speech to noun gi definition de kaini hai ki ba khwaidagi laibani haibadi link jamna memory ningjang bada akoi gi memory da thambada khwaidagi laibani noun se naming words ko kai name to one they name person place things qualities states or feelings example da kana laire chawba laire imphal laire cat freedom hungry ko si myam sin noun ngaktani ko detail la chang ja di chawba is a name of person natra imphal is a name of place natra cat has a name of animals natra freedom is a feel ko gi state to ni ko aduna noun gi definition siga chana ba example lai jare dana pronoun kana ne haiba kwaidi laiba used in place of a noun gi mahuta season aba ko ram is a doctor ram se doctor ni ram noun lai jare ram dugi pronoun haira o kai tlare he is a doctor natra magi chana ba hayeng aduna in magi details la kan na koina khanga ani ko aduna ram leire sorry he leire pronoun se he leire he is a doctor, she is a doctor, she is a dancer, it is it, they, this, her si mayam se pronoun ngaktani. Then adjective third ta kana leire adjective leire it adds extra meaning to a noun. Noun amada koina extra meaning hapchan ba wahai du adjective kawi. Example da she is a beautiful lady, he is a handsome boy, Ram is a clever boy, cause maito dana beautiful, handsome, clever ka haiba se adjectives ngaktani. Then verb na kana no, verb ti kana ni haiba action words, eat, teach, sing, dance, si mayam je action word ngaktani. Verb na action dang phongdok pra no, state of being su phongdo I, event su phongdo I, fact su phongdo I. Samna haraga verbs are action words, they also express the state of being, events or fact. Example harakanda he walks chatpada ko say action word ni dana chatli dana ko. Then what if I say tomba likes cake, like say action la nate dana ko masagi magi state mane apamza do phongdo paneba ko magi fact tu neba tomba gi fact se kaino tomba cake pa me haba du fact to phongdo paneba ko. Ramu is a thief, Ramu ze thief amani hari is zina kai ta ino ko da magi being do ta iniko ma se thief ne haba du being do tak pani ko. Then adverbs are word that adds extra meaning to a verb, an adjective, and adverb. Ko verb amada, adjective amada, adverb amada meaning hen hapchan badubo ko in adverb kawi. Example the yengo sagi akoin discuss tau buda su yaugre dana hojik si example si yengo dogs bark loudly. Ko bark se kaino bark se verb na tra loudly se na amuk adverb neba. Kama ina khonge loudly makhon hauna khonge adverb se hapchalaga magi bak to budo hena phongdo iba ko verb amada hapchalaga. Adjective amada mu kama ina mateng pange Ibohal is very handsome hai. Ibohal is handsome lai jareba. Handsome is adjective neba adu the very mu hapchaleba. Very have adverb se hapchaleba adu ko kai tar Ibohal is very handsome hai. Ibohal se yam phazayeba ko adu de very is the adverb neba. Mana kari hena qualify to rino ngasagi handsome je amuka hena qualify to holleba adune adverb ki mathau se ko. Then last sentence ko the dog barks very loudly. Loudly masana adverb lai rabdu aina very mu hapchaleba aduga hen adverb to phongdo pieba ko ana sigi pot se kauranu adverb ti verb ko adjective ko adverb ka da hena magun happy se kauranu. Then preposition yi mathau karino kadai da thammi before a noun or a pronoun mamang noun natraga pronoun gi mamang da hap kani aduga kari tak to ba khoida time place takate khwai dai maru be se time ga place ka sini ko yang preposition in, at, on, under, beneath, above si myam se masigi ma gi thambam je khoina in details la akan da khanga kani. But for now preposition se si myam se preposition ne se khango. Example de yang si come before evening. Ko before se preposition ni, evening se time ni. Ko. Then another example the doll is kadaida under kadaida the table. Under preposition of place preposition of position ni taido kadaida table du gi makhada ko place tu ni taido ko. Then conjunction na kadoba it connects two words or sentences. Kaugno close ogera phrase ogera sentence ogera word ogera connect to we ko. Chauba and Tomba are brothers. Chauba ga Tomba ga a brother ni. And have a wise in a Chauba Tomba and is joined to Selini. Ko. Then atopa example manang asai sung na kre work hard or you will fail or have a wise conjunction is kaugano ko. And go organ dang loy bra conjunction loy de ko mayamam lagi ko yet do unless because si mayam se ko reason piba conjunction aduga su mayamama lakini. Then last interjection ko koina interjection di kai neba sudden feelings expressed over word to interjection ni ko aduga surprised oibudo hooray we won the game, alas it is over, alas we lost the battle. Kahai se kosi me hamse interjection words ngata ni alas kahai bese duga last na determiner. Kanano determiner di kasagi noun dubu determine tawba limit tawba dubu ni koina determiners are words the limits a noun ko noun do limit tawba do koina determiner ni kaw gori si determiner da kana kana lai hinga sai sai ko article ahum da ko a and the then adjectives khara adjectives me ama ko adu hayeng laksi ade maming oina palabda some any many few a few little si me am se determiners naktani hayeng loina mak in details lakani ko so I think you have now got a brief idea of what parts of speech are. Part of speech karino khangamani na khanjai parts of speech kana kaya suge khangamani ko kamasi kaudana koina nainaraga let us continue in our next classes with the kinds with a very broad detailed study of the various of the different parts of speech got different parts of speech mayam se amuk study tawrakna ba ko amu lagna si aduga you should not forget the definition ko kadai the karino kari take parts of speech sing sin haibase masima de khoi kaw ba su ya yadre ko